Stopped for lunch, and as Reg said, feed the girls and they'll surely volunteer to do the washing up. Well, that's what Reg said.
Hands that do dishes can be soft as your face, as soft as your face, as soft as your face.
All right then, but where are the girls? Just as I thought. Come on, Shawleg. Well, in a manner of speaking, that is. Passing Reedham Ferry. Now we're making towards Cantley. Approaching Cantley, we meet a number of motor cruisers. As they pass by, their wash disturbs our cameraman. But being a friendly sort of person, he waves a cheery greeting to the cruisers and sends them the compliments of the day by saying, "Do you want all the river?" Cantley Sugar Beet Factory. At the end of this trip, we say goodbye to the girls. Reg now picks up Dr. Jordan and his daughter Rosalind and Linda for a trip to Horsley Mere to look at the old mill. Quanting under the bridge at Potter Heim. Heads down. Out. Good gracious, what's this then? Oh, well retrieved. Rosalind signals that the rescue launch is not needed. Reg shows the way to Quant. He stopped. Pity. Horsey Mere, the old mill in the background, a well-known landmark for yachtsmen sailing the Broads. The mill restored and opened to the public. Today we are starting off from Oby Dyke to look at the remains of St Benet's Abbey with its derelict windmill, which was built inside of what is left of the abbey. Reg and Arthur quant the boat out of the dyke against a strong wind. They take the boat across the river to the opposite bank to hoist the sails. With the sails hoisted and the wind increasing, here she comes. turn around at another pass for the benefit of the cameraman, who seems to enjoy getting wet. St. Benet's Abbey. A typical old salt, dreaming of faraway places. Captain Bligh, sorry, Reg Edmonds. Fancy point, Arthur? Arthur gets the primers going for a cup of tea. And so at the end of the day, we return to Oby Dyke. At Oby Dyke, the boat is being covered up.
We'll get on back on them too in a minute, you watch. I think it's about time we wash the dinghy out, don't you, John? A good old tail race. Right, here we come. Oh, you're all you. Wow! You'll pay for this. And here we come. Oh, there it is. Look at Harry, the we don't see the funny toys. We can see what we can see.
The sun begins to set. We have come to the end of our sailing trips. A little tired, a little wet, but contented. We have mingled with nature in her various moods. We have breathed the clean air of the Norfolk Broads. The old mill stands as a sentinel, keeping watch over Broadland and those of us who enjoy messing about in boats.